Governo Norwegia se halau investimento e área de desenvolvimento e economia no infraestrutura. Embaixadora Real Norwegia, Ruth Kruger, halau encontro o primeiro-ministro e a Palácio Governo terça-feira, né? E a encontro, né? Embaixadora explica quando a missão do plano governo foi nebe se o desafio e oin no Norwegia, Hakarak Investe e área de desenvolvimento econômico na infraestrutura seluktan.
So this is my second time I visit your beautiful country. I'm very, very happy to be here. So I just had a meeting with the Prime Minister and it was just a great honor for me to meet him, to hear both about his very long trajectory as having had many leader functions in this very beautiful but also very young country. He was explaining to me the vision and the plans of his new government, and as much as we know about all the challenges this country is facing, I was also very inspired and very encouraged to hear the prospects for the new government to invest in economic development here, in infrastructure, and yeah, just very, very happy to be here and very honored to meet the Prime Minister himself. Norway does not have a specific development program here in Timor-Leste. We have been very much involved in earlier years through helping with the establishment of the Petroleum Fund. But as of right now, we do not have many. We have a couple of specific programs working on women's rights and victims of sexual violence, for example. But as of right now, we don't have any specific new programs that we are working on.
Nia informa, dadau ne sirla ia programa de desenvolvimento específico e sirmos envolve hari fundo petróleo. Além de ne sirmos ia programa específico rua, hanesan serviço ia direito fetonian, nomos serviço ba vítima violência sexual. Reportagem Marquita da Silva, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emahoto. Atu hatena informação atual diagliu kita halua. Hane hambutão subscribe, like, halo comentário no faixa do media social hoto.